how to change profile picture in Duolingo. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture in Duolingo. Let's dive right in. Open up a Duolingo app, go to the three dots in the bottom right corner, tap on profile, and now you'll need to tap on your avatar. So after you have tapped on your avatar, you can change it. So you can change the skin tone, you can change their hair expression. So you can add features that you want to add. You can change the outfit colors as well, and then hit done. So you cannot put your own picture in Duolingo, but you can change the avatar. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.